Assalamu alaikum. I am Munir Ahmed, Executive Director of United International Group. In our group, we have an insurance company, United Insurance. Most of the people will be familiar with this name. I am responsible for the IT infrastructure of the group and also the InsurTech in our group. Let me introduce you quickly about our solution. We have insurance management and takaful management system, which covers everything: underwriting, accounts, claims, reinsurance. So out of our product, I will share with you a case study what we are developing now. So before going to that case study, I will tell you that how we develop this product. First of all, as a United Software, we have developed this product for United Insurance, which is our in-house development for our own group company. Okay, then what we did is that when the product get matured, we sell it to 3 insurance companies in Pakistan. And after that, we have started developing the APIs, mobile apps, portals, machine learning, deep learning. And now we have 3 international clients from Dubai, Afghanistan, and Uzbekistan. Okay, now this is the important part of the summit and the InsurTech. That currently all the general insurance companies, those are doing livestocks, they are using classical RFID tags. What we do is when we insure any animal, we do a tag in the ears or in the feet of the animal, or sometime in the international in different countries, they are using it using the injectable tags. Okay, the challenges with this model is that it is very difficult to inject in the animals because it is difficult to handle them. Also, it damages the skin and also the ears of the animal. So here comes the machine learning solution. In United Software, we call it Animal Face ID. Like everyone is familiar to the Face ID, that in latest mobiles like in iPhone and Android, you can use register your face. It takes some images and then recognize you by your face. So you call it Face ID. Okay, in United Insurance, we are developing Animal Face ID. Okay, let me explain you how it works. Actually, we are livestock insurance company, so we are insuring a lot of animals. So what we did is we started creating a data set. We started collecting unique animals, their faces, and storing into our big database. Then what we did is that we develop a deep machine learning algorithm. Its accuracy is 99%, which detects the face of the animal, and then we store this animal into our big data. This process we call it animal registration to its unique face. Okay, once the animal is registered and it is insured by the United Insurance, once the claim is coming that our client, our valuable clients is claiming that the animal is dead or something, so our mobile application can take the images or the video again and we can recognize the animal. Using this deep learning algorithm, the accuracy is about 95%. So before this smart deep learning algorithm, we was doing it manually, and we were getting a lot of problems. By the instruction of the State Bank, we started collecting the animal images, and now it is ready. And Alhamdulillah, I am conducting my PhD on this topic. Uh, and also it is beta release is already implemented in United Insurance. Okay, now I want to explain you about more research in United Software. We are doing disease predictions, which we will be using with the health insurance model or the InsurTech companies. We will welcome them to use our models. These research papers were fully funded by the international universities to us. In this, we have already 4 research paper published in high impact factors. Like I give you 2 examples, that the diabetes early stage prediction. that you are giving data to our model and it will start predicting the model. Like Dr. Tariq was giving the examples of the few applications. So we are developing them in Pakistan, in United Software, in-house development. Okay. The second is, which I give this case study, AFR, animal face recognition. This is also a fully international funded project, which we are doing in United Software with the help of my university, where I am doing a PhD. My supervisor is collaborating with me, and he will be doing the postdoc in this topic. Okay, this AFR, the beta version is already implemented in United Insurance. We are testing it in-house, and inshallah, it will be readily available commercially to our 6 clients, which 3 are national and 3 are international clients. Okay, and now we are building a fraud detection in claims, that we will be building a machine learning model. We already have a data. We have prepared already international funding again from different countries. And this all research in United Software is 100% funded by international universities and international clients. Okay, now the future plan, very important. In United Insurance, we are collecting images of the pre-inspection and post-inspection. Like, for example, if United Insurance is going to give an insurance to a car, so one of our representative is going to that client and taking the images of the vehicle. So we are storing into our big data. We are capturing these images from 2 years. Now, one of our team have started already working on creating the deep learning model onto these images, that if we can take the images and our machine learning platform can automatically estimate the estimated loss. We are working on it. A few of my team members are doing masters from different universities to learn more techniques. We are creating research with the academia, and we are trying to implement into United Insurance. Uh, Thank you, everyone. I am available on LinkedIn. So if anyone have any questions about these models, what we are doing in United Software, how we are building these model, how we can help other insurance companies, because we are open to work with anyone. And I would like to thank my chairman, Mr. Mia M. Shahid, who allowed us to work with the different companies. We are working internationally and nationally. We are selling our insurance product to the other insurance companies.
Thank you, Mr. Munir Ahmed, for that great presentation. You've contributed quite a bit to our knowledge. Please keep informing others and keeping, working on such innovative ideas. Thank you very much for your time. Ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned. We've got some more exciting sessions coming up.